Can I play it with a controller? I have a controller hooked up. I have this. That is lovely. Bro, I love your games. I really do. I really wish you used Unreal Engine so we could work together. And I know you won't make that move, but if you made the move to Unreal Engine, I'd love you forever, Paper Jack. Man.
Unreal sucks, dude.
You. I need some random non-copyright music here. I guess I'll do the lo-fi Christmas music. Oh, it's so loud. Is there like a creepy Christmas music? At one point I had reached out like, hey, do you guys like, does somebody who does music want to have a chance to do some like random Christmas music for this? And I like to give people that opportunity simply because I'm not asking you to like create jingle bells for me. I'm asking you for I'm asking for you to create something that you feel would be Christmassy and like have your own chance at creating something unique or different that has like a Christmas vibe. I'm not at all asking for like a generic song. And like the responses I got were like, why don't you just use Christmas music or like make your own Christmas music? It's not hard. I'm like, what the hell? Like, yeah, like, that's the point. Yeah, I'd rather have somebody that actually has the passion for it, is interested in it.
Yeah.
I think there's one dude that like I'm really interested in his music. Paper Jack wants me to play test his game, so I'm gonna play test his game on the stream. Hold up, let me make sure he's cool with it and all that jazz. Okay, there we go. There we go. I fixed it. I fixed it, bro. I got it. Hold on, let me turn off this bonk ass Christmas music. Can I play it with a controller? I have a controller hooked up. I have... Unreal is greatness. Just because you used Unity for like a week doesn't mean anything.
I used it for like a year.
You used... Alright, controllable wheel. Stop telling me how to play your game, man. If I can't figure it out, your guy can't figure it out. Okay, so hold up. Remove logic, movement, sensors, miscellaneous. Okay, so that's the logic of what's happening here. Okay, so let's see here. We got logic and output. I'm such the wrong person for this. Oh, did I break it? Oh wait, is that a wheel? Is that a wheel I put on there? It's a controllable wheel. Oh man, if I could learn how to read. Wait, what is this? Can I move that wheel, or is it just stuck there? Oh, jeez. I'm sorry, man. I'm really trying my best here. I'm not being a jackass, I promise. I don't even know what this does, but like, what's to stop me from simply putting them all on here? Okay. Maybe I should just restart or something. Work! Why do you hate me so? You need to clean up the brain. Oh boy. Okay, I'll probably come back to that. You have all these different options here. If you go to add, it's literally just, you know, you clicking and adding in a different section. So just a new segment. And if you're good with using your culling, you could like cull out one area and then the other one, you know, this way it's not always loading a million rocks and everything else like that. But the actual like terrain editing itself is pretty simplistic. So like, you know, you would just make this a little bit higher for the edges, so this way your player can't escape, and the barriers will automatically be created. Like, it's based off of the terrain itself, so it's on too much of an incline for your player to be able to physically go up, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. And obviously, because you're using the height maps and everything, if you were to like bring let's say, yeah, like this, for example, for this corner, if you bring down a point, it's going to find a flat, and it's going to mark that with like the grass and everything. You know, it'll automatically find that height map in there. So it's pretty easy. Obviously, I really enjoy using the terrain as an element for gameplay. For example, like this here is, you go through multiple fall-offs. There's 3 fall-offs, and this third one is a trap. If you were to go through it, you could hit those spikes and die. Over here, I have this set up, so basically when you get to this point, it'll trigger, and then by the time you get to like right there, just dilly-dallying, going through, you're gonna have a few boulders coming at you. So there's all kinds of little goodies like that I'm planning. I wonder how far, because there's three of those balls. I wonder where one of them is going, because one of them isn't making it all the way down. Oh, there they are! There they are! There's 3. I see 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, look at that frame rate. I wonder if that's because the player is like a million miles away. Or is it because I wasn't near him? So wait, where'd that one go? Did that go over here? Ha! Look at that.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Well, it looked good, you know, but yeah, generic. It just looked kind of generic.
Just yeah, just a little generic. Oh Jesus, is coming at me! But yeah, man, I hope that helped you. And also, I hope you're still working on your game, because that excites me. I'm still not 100% sure if I'm supposed to pronounce it like Nemesis or Nemesi. I don't know why. For some reason, I want to pronounce it Nemesi. I think it's because there was a movie where a guy. Oh wait, that's right. What is that? Mystery Men.
We know each other so well, don't we, Lance?
Well, we've always been each other's greatest nemeses. Nemesis. What's the plural on that?
Nemeses.
God, no one remembers that movie, and it was so good.
Dude, really good. Yeah, really good.
I've been meaning.
I don't know why that's not more of like a cult classic.
Right?
I knew you couldn't change.
I knew you'd know that.
Oh, I know that. And I knew you'd know I'd know you knew.
But I didn't. I only knew that you'd know that I knew. Did you know that?
Of course.
Nemeses. I'm gonna totally mispronounce it. Nemeses. There you go. That's I'm gonna go ahead and plug that real quick. If you haven't already played Nemesis. God damn. If you have not yet played Nemesis, go to itch and play it.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Nemesis teaser. This is by Matt Reeves. You should follow me on Twitter, at Mr. Craven. You should follow me, pretty please. Link is in the description. Ooh, cool. Oh, whoa, that gets dark. Oh yes, whenever I was looking in the files for the game to launch it, there's just a big folder called Clown. Bloody footprints. Oh, I don't want to follow these. Whoa! There are nightmares yet to document. A new foe each night. They are my nemesis.
Nemeses.
Yeah, that is a great horror game if you guys haven't already checked it out. I'm still considering whether or not I want to keep that cross there. Like, I don't know, man. It's quite eye-catching when you're coming down the mountain for the first time. It's not like it's relevant or anything. Then again, I guess that's just kind of a thing for me, because like when I made Vestigial with my other team there, Vestigial had that one gravestone that had a red cross on it.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Adrian, and today I'm going to be playing a game called Vestigial. This is interesting. The mountains? Oh, that's funny. That's my favorite one. I like that one the most. Just says the F word when you walk up to it. Nice. I enjoy it. Ooh. Ooh. This is odd. That is not pleasant to see.
Why does this one has the red cross in it, but every other gravestone does not have that red cross?
A few years ago, but you just kept dragging
Oh
me
my God.
along. Every time games like these swear, it just kills. God damn it. Oh my god, because it just completely takes me out of the game. Like when they swear like that or call me a rotten piece.
And it was only because I thought it looked really cool, and like I'm a fan of this movie called The Spirit, which was yeah, bro, don't even. The Spirit was such a good movie. Like this customer comes up to me and he's like, "Hey, what's better? Is Norton better or is McAfee better?" And I was like, "It's McAfee." He was like, "McAfee," and I was like, "McAfee." Super fixated on making sure that it needed to be like anti-phishing, right? Like he had heard like phishing was the thing. Like he's like, I gotta avoid the phishing. And I was like, oh man, you want to avoid phishing? You're not gonna use McAfee or Norton. You're gonna use a Vast. Get in there real deep with a Vast, and you'll be perfectly fine. And he was like, "Are you sure that's the one?" And I'm like, "That's the one, dude." And then he walked out, and I turned to my coworker and I was like, "And that's how you make $1.50 commission, boy."